Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. You can see here this beautiful flower. It reminds me of the beautiful day that God has given us. This beautiful flower is a miracle. No one can invent, no one can create this one. It's nature. And you will see that. And today's topic is all about the food for our chickens. And this is one of a kind because I always mention about the other sources of food such as water spinach. I'm talking about the azola. I'm talking about the banana trunks, and even this taro are the best source of food for our chickens. And today's video, allow me to just tell you something about the duckweeds, because these duckweeds are also very easy to multiply. They're easy to plant. You need only water from the fish pond